Hi there and welcome back to another NJS instructional video. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the pull cord on this Stihl 025 chainsaw. And to start off we need to remove this cover plate, and we simply do that by taking out these 4 screws. So now with the cover plate removed, we just flip it over and we've got easy access to replace that pull cord. Now using some long nose pliers and maybe even a screwdriver just to start you off, take out this knot from the mechanism. Like that, and then just pull it through. Now along the ground here I've just run a measuring tape and put the original pull cord as well as the broken portion just over here, and I've also put the new pull cord alongside, and we roughly need about just under 80 centimeters of pull cord length. Now this new pull cord, like the previous, is 3.2 millimeters in overall diameter. Now because we're using the same gauge diameter pull cord, it's actually quite difficult to feed it through. If we're using a thinner diameter, it'd probably be a lot easier, but in this case it's actually quite difficult. So what we might do is just remove this locking pin. Now just take note of how that mechanism works before you undo it. So we'll just pull it out, and then we'll be able to feed that pull cord in a lot easier. There we go. We'll just get our pull cord, and then we can feed it through. Like that. There we go. Done. So now we're just going to tie off a knot on this end. We want to make that knot as small as possible. And I might just melt that a little bit, just so it fuses together and doesn't come undone. Okay, and now we'll just feed that through, and then just put that pointy bit down, maybe see if that works a bit better. You want to get that knot in there nice and tight. Like that. So now we'll just grab our pull cord and we're just going to reassemble this locking pin. There we go, and just make sure that it's functioning correctly. Yep, very good. So now that we've got the recoil assembly all back together, the locking pin in, just going to grab the free end of the rope and just feed it through the top there, like that. So now with our free ends, we're just going to feed it into the handle like that, and similar process, tie a very small knot. small as possible, yet as tight as possible as well. And likewise, we're just going to put a flame to it to fuse it together so it doesn't come undone. And then just pull it through the handle, and there we have it. So now that that's all connected, it's time to wind up the coil assembly, and we're actually going to do it clockwise. So our pull cord's now attached and working really well, and it's bottoming out on the handle, so there's no slack there. So now it's a matter of connecting this back to the chainsaw. And now it's time to test if the pull cord is working okay. So there you have it. That's how you can replace the pull cord on your Stihl chainsaw and save yourself a lot of money as well. I really hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell notification icon. Thanks for watching.